popcorn done dead simple in an air fryer. This is a no-brainer, and I'm going to show you how easy it is right now. Let's get into it. And thanks for joining me back on the channel. One air fryer too many, and like I've just said, I'm going to run through this dead quick and simple way of doing popcorn in your air fryer. Today I'm going to be using the Cosori twin fry. You can use whatever air fryer you've got at home, this will work. So what flavour do you like on your popcorn? I'm going to show you at the end what flavour I'm going to put on this. It's a cross between salty and savoury, a classic which I think you're going to love. But let me know, drop me a comment in the comments below, let me know what your favourite one is, and obviously make sure you're hitting subscribe so you don't miss another air fryer video. Right, nice and easy, dead quick this video, so stay with me. The way we're going to do this, we're going to preheat the air fryer to 200 degrees, really important that we preheat. Then we're going to open the popcorn and we're going to tip it in. Now you can use whatever popcorn you've got. You can use the kernels in the bag that are not mixed with anything. You can use kernels that are pre-mixed. You can use, like I've got here, this actually says microwave popcorn. The only difference is for the microwave popcorn, this comes in a little bag and it's actually got like a coating on it to make it pop, like an oily sort of residue to make it pop. That's it. So I'm going to be tipping these into the big basket in this, and we'll see how much we can get to pop, and then I'm going to do a couple of flavours with it. So I am going to take the bases out. Don't want the bases in for this, and then I'm just going to tip it in. So I'll move you a bit closer so you can see the action as I'm doing it. So if I show you inside one of these bags what I mean by pre-coated, you can see that. Right, we're going to get this in. I'm going to get it cooking. So let's switch it on, and we're going to go Grand Zone 200 for 20 minutes. Actually it's going to be less than that. It's going to be 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to go for 12 minutes because I'm then going to do a 2-minute preheat. That gives us 10 minutes on the timer, so let's go with that. And the oil that's actually mixed with this actual popcorn is rapeseed oil. This is just from Tesco, aisle 20, with all the rest of the popcorn. Yeah, shea oil and rapeseed oil, whole grain corn, salt and extracts of rosemary. That's the one I'm using. It's actually the only one I could get in our store near us. Just wanted to do it as you guys would find, so I'll open some more of these up. A lot of you will be thinking, why on earth are you going to air fry this when you can bang it in the microwave? Good question. My thinking is, why not? I think this will taste better. And then I'm going to get the drawer out, and I'm going to throw this in. Might just go in with it all. There's plenty of room in this. Let's stick it back in and let's carry on. And let's see what happens. Give it a little shake to get all the oil melted and coated. Oh, Popped out then, didn't it? Looking good. It's still going. It's still going. Oh, it's looking good now. Look at this. There's still a few in the front corner to pop, so we'll just carry on a little bit longer. And we've stopped popping now. Look at that. Fluffy popcorn. Beautiful. Oh, a couple of pops still going. Right, let's get it out and let's get some flavour on it. Look at that. Yummy. So let's get some of this served up. Right, let's get all this served up in the bowl then. Now, I've got to say, I think you'd definitely be better getting the non-microwavable corn, just the standard popcorn, but I couldn't get any. Because this has made a fair bit, but for 6 packets, it's not a massive amount. Anyway, next, I've got some Maldon sea salt. This is the best, flakiest sea salt that you can get. So I'm going to go on with some flakes of the sea salt. Just give it a little zhuzhdi. And then I have got some caramel syrup. It's just from Tesco, where I got the popcorn from, the salt as well. Caramel syrup, so like dessert syrup. I'm just going all over. Right, let's have a taste. Mmm. Proper crunchy, that. The saltiness comes through loads, and that little sweet kick from the caramel. It's like a classic popcorn combo. Really good. Now, some of you may be thinking, why on earth have I done it in an air fryer when I could have done that in the microwave? Very true. If I was to do this again, like I said, I'd get the standard popping corn. However, saying that, this has got a better flavour than when it's microwave, because it's got a toasted sort of background to it, which is really nice from the air fryer, which you wouldn't get if you microwaved it. So for me, flavour wise, this has got another depth of flavour. If you're not bothered about that and you just want a quick bag of popcorn, fine, bang it in the microwave, job done. But I would say it's done a pretty good job, really. I would say maybe just do a couple of bags at a time. Don't overcrowd it, just to give it a bit more room, and heat dispersal is a little bit easier. But I think overall, not a bad job for 15 minutes work, and it tastes absolutely banging. Now, make sure you are heading over to One Air Fryer Too Many Facebook page, and also the Facebook group that I run as well. Stick me some pictures up of your popcorn masterpieces, and obviously in the description let me know what your favourite topping and flavours are for your air fried popcorn. Have you tried it? Does it work for you? If not, again, let me know in the comments why not. And obviously make sure you're hitting that subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. New video every week to keep your air fryer recipes and minds whirring round. And if there is an air frying dish that you would like me to cook on the channel so you know how to do it, again, hit me up in the comments or over on the Facebook group. Right, that's it for this week. So I'll see you again next week for another air fryer installment. Until then, have a good week, everybody.